War Day number 511. Hello everyone, welcome today. In today's newspaper of Wednesday, yes, it's Wednesday, July the 19th, 2023. We have here three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the binary puzzle, the medium Sudoku, and the regular killer Sudoku. And in today's newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, and those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have a tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Saiva block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. In additional, I will solve those in the evening. 4 of them, half of them. But first, let me start with the binary puzzle. Yes. News of today. Well, I've told you War Day number 511. 511 days ago, the war started in Ukraine, and everything has been changed in the world. All right. 28 printed digits. This one. Yes, 28 printed digits for the binary. And this will be number 6775. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. So let's get started. Double one, Dano. Double one, Dano. Double one, Dano. Double one, Dano. Double O, one, there one. Double O, one, there one. Double one, Dano. Double O, one, there one. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, one, there one. Double O, one, there one. Double one, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 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 Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double one, there no. Let me think. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. And here, need to think. Well. 1. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Yeah. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O here, one there, one. Double O here, one there, one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double one here, no, there, no. Double one here, no, there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct. In 5 minutes. Wow. We solved this again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the second regular puzzle, the Sudoku Medium. Until then, bye-bye for now.